Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a wishlist on your AliExpress account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete a wishlist on your AliExpress account, firstly go ahead and launch open your AliExpress application on your device. Make sure that you have downloaded the application and signed up for your account in case if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, check if you are logged into it or not. In case if you are not logged into your account, you need to sign into your account first. Before starting the video, let me tell you some information about AliExpress application. AliExpress application is your ultimate global shopping destination powered by Alibaba. The AliExpress application brings millions of products right to your fingertips, offering a smooth and seamless online shopping experience like no other. You can explore an extensive store filled with diverse items from trusted sellers worldwide. Whether you're looking for trending fashions, innovative gadgets, or everyday essentials, AliExpress makes it easy to search and find precisely what you want. You can enjoy the convenience of your fast delivery tailored to get your orders to you quickly and reliably. Managing your purchase is hassle free with real time tracking and instant updates right in the application. You can interact directly with the sellers using this application. The integrated payment system lets you pay securely, ensuring your personal information remains always safe. With multiple trusted methods, your checkout process is smooth and worry free. The intuitive design of the AliExpress application helps you browse countless applications and virtual stores with ease. Personalized recommendation and curated collection makes your perfect products are always with each reach, enhancing your personalized shopping journey. Now, to download your AliExpress application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Click on search button at the bottom right corner of the page. Now, on the search box at the top, type in AliExpress and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. On the next page, click on Install button just below the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Now, to sign into your AliExpress account, you can simply go and open up the application and fill in the credentials. There's another way through which you can sign into your AliExpress account, and that is through your web browser. Now, to log into your AliExpress account, just go ahead and launch up with any web browser of your preference. In the search box at the top, type in aliexpress.com and make a search. The official page of AliExpress account will appear on the screen. Click on human icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the sign up page of your AliExpress account. Click on sign in option. Now, to log into your account, enter your email address and password associated with your AliExpress account and tap on sign in. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. You can also sign into your AliExpress account using your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple ID as well. Once you fill in all the credentials of AliExpress, you will be logged into your AliExpress account in no time. Once you're logged into your account, the home page of AliExpress will be displayed on the screen. From the home page, click on Account button at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the Profile section of your AliExpress account. Scroll all the way down and you can see the wishlist section displayed on the page right next to History section. The items that you have added to wishlist will appear on the screen. Tap on View All option. On the next page, you need to click on the pen icon at the top right corner of the page. Tick mark on the box right next to items that you'd like to delete and tap on Delete option. Confirm deletion of the items or wishlist by tapping on Delete once again. This is how you can delete a wishlist on your AliExpress account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.